Welcome to The Explainer. So, in early 2026, something happened that sent these huge shockwaves through the global economy. But it wasn't a market bubble or a bank collapse. No, it was just a piece of code. In a single week, $285 billion was wiped from the market cap of major software companies. I mean, that's an absolutely staggering number. To put that in perspective, that's more than what some entire countries make in a year, and it just vanished in days. So let's dive into why that happened. You see, this wasn't your typical crash. It was actually a powerful signal that a really fundamental shift in technology had just occurred, and it was all triggered by a new generation of artificial intelligence. Honestly, 2026 is a year that history is going to remember. At the very heart of it was an AI model named Claude Opus 4.6. Now, this AI was so capable, it basically forced us to rethink how we build, work, and create, well, everything. To really understand how massive this leap is, we've got to go back in time a little bit. For decades, programming has been all about giving computers these incredibly detailed step-by-step instructions in really rigid languages. But that's changing, and it's changing fast. What's really interesting here is the journey we've been on. I mean, we've gone from physically punching holes in cards, actual manual labor, to just asking in plain English. This whole new era is powered by something called an agentic AI.
So what in the world is an agentic AI? Let's take a look, because this is what's building a completely new way of working.
Think of it less like a simple tool and more like an intelligent partner, or maybe a junior developer on your team. It doesn't just suggest code, it actually takes action. It gets stuff done. And this is its secret sauce, this four-step loop. It perceives the situation, it plans what to do, it executes that plan, and then, this is the key, it reflects on its own work. It runs tests, it iterates, and it keeps improving until the job is done right. This allows it to handle these super complex, multi-step tasks that were just impossible for AI a year ago. And this right here perfectly illustrates the big change. The job is shifting from being a hands-on builder, laying every single brick, to being more like a high-level architect who directs a whole team of AI agents. And believe me, this change impacts a whole lot more than just coding. This new capability is already starting to reorganize how we work in some truly unexpected ways. I know, it sounds like science fiction, but it is happening right now. AI agents that need something done in the physical world are literally browsing human profiles and assigning them tasks. This was a real task posted by an AI to have flowers delivered in San Francisco. It's kind of funny, but it also shows a future where the AI is controlling the work, and we, the humans, provide the physical assistance. And look, this isn't just some niche little experiment. We're talking over 300,000 people have already signed up to do this. It's a huge glimpse into a future where the lines between digital and physical labor are getting really blurry, and it's all being managed by AI. For professionals, and especially for students right now, this means a whole new focus. It's becoming less about the struggle of finding one tiny bug in the code, and more about the skill of guiding a powerful intelligence. Your value is shifting to your big ideas. Okay, so let's dive into what this means for you, especially if you're a student or just someone with a really cool idea you've always wanted to build. For years, building an app or a website required learning all these complicated frameworks. It was like a giant wall. Well, that wall is basically crumbling down. The technical stuff that used to hold people back is just disappearing. So think back to, programming a simple calculator for a math test. Now imagine programming an entire business with that same ease. The focus completely shifts from the tedious how to the visionary what. Your imagination is now the most powerful tool you have. So here's the crucial point. This technology isn't just for experts anymore. It's a tool for creators, for dreamers, for builders, for you. The future isn't written yet. But for the first time, it feels like everybody has the most powerful pen imaginable. So, what are you going to ask it to create?